Show!
Yeah!
Today, we have a very special guest. His name is Froggy. Alright, look, you get ready. You get drunk. See, look at this. Get drunk with it. Now, this is a little thing me and Froggy made up. We about to stomp the yard. Boom. That wasn't that awesome. I have to admit that was awesome. So,
Mom, you find some
I'm gonna have to say good night. Thank you. Night.
Do you not think you're too late for that? I'm wondering.